Let's go cook some.
Let's go cook.
300 grams of 1 day old rice, 50 grams of frozen peas. Crack 3 eggs into 2 different bowls. Whisk 2 spring onion, finely chopped. 1 medium carrots. Cut into small cubes like so. 3 garlic cloves. 250 grams of chicken breast. Let's marinate the chicken. Cornstarch, 1 teaspoon. 1/4 spoon of white pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of garlic. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. And 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. 2 teaspoons of regular oil. Mix well, marinate for 15 minutes. For the stir fry sauce, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Stir well and leave it aside. 3 tablespoons of regular oil into a medium heat pan. In with our marinated chicken. Sear the chicken for 40 seconds. Turn it over. Once the chicken is evenly cooked, in with 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Once the colouring is nice and even, set it aside. 3 tablespoons of oil into a medium heat pan. In with the 2 beating eggs. In with the rice. In with our carrots and peas. And spring onion. Stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the rice is hot, in with our sauce that we made earlier. Mix well. Once the colour is nice and even, pour in the 1 remaining egg. Stir well. Keep stirring until the egg is dried up and coat all the grains of rice. Once it's dried up, the rice should look like so. In with the rest of our chicken. Give that a few toss. Once everything's blending, we are done. I'm just gonna eat my chicken fried rice today. How many thumbs up do I get? What's that mean?
Infinity.
Infinity? Okay.